See, there's no makeup, there's no lipstick at all. Look at my hair. I'm here in Milford Sound with my husband, but he's downstairs. It's very nice. Yeah. Someone opened the door. I can't close anymore. I tried to close, but sorry. You go downstairs.
Water feature at Milford. Stirling Falls is over 140 metres tall, being powered entirely by melting glacier. The water in this waterfall has been frozen now for several thousand years. Hence the last ones to touch it were probably the dinosaurs. So you guys then, we're going to give you the opportunity to touch water that's never touched human hands before. I recommend you head down to the bow, the very front of the boat, best place to be by far. Because you see, there's a bit of a legend behind this waterfall. Legend has it if you're touched by the waters in this waterfall, you'll wake up tomorrow looking and feeling 10 years younger. You wouldn't want to miss out on that, would you? Head on down to the front, folks. Best place to be by far. Do need to give you a warning though. You'd be surprised the number of people who turns out don't know this. They email us later and we love these emails. Sit around in a big circle and read them to each other at night. People who email us telling us that they didn't know that they'd get wet under a waterfall.